Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here for another video. And today I am going to show you the dry painting results from my previous video. I love the way it looks. Some of the black did eat up some of my colors, but I'm still happy with the outcome. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that painting. And here she is. Take a look at that. Tell me what you think about it. See how pretty it is? Look at the turquoise. It's beautiful. I am happy with it. I love how it dried. And I said some of the color, the black base ate my cells right in here. It did. And along the inside in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in with a brush and I'm going to fill that in with some color and see how that turns out. Other than that, I love the painting. It is a beautiful piece. And I love how the turquoise shows up on the black base. It's beautiful how it looks. So that is the painting. We're going to go ahead and we're going to continue today with I am working again on a 10 by 20 inch canvas. I am going to continue to flood my canvas, and this time I'm flooding with titanium white by Artist Loft. And I have a mixture here that I collected from my table from one of my previous videos, and it's a beautiful grayish blue as you can see. So a grayish blue. I don't want to drop it. I wouldn't be able to tell you what this color is because it's a combination of colors that I scraped off my table from a previous video. So no idea. But I am using that as part of my base color. So split color base. I am going to be using some Thanksgiving tones or Thanksgiving color palette. We are celebrating Thanksgiving here Thursday, 2 days from now. And I want to wish you all in the U.S. a happy Thanksgiving. May you enjoy the time with your family, friends, loved ones, pets, anyone, and everybody that celebrates. So enjoy your time, enjoy your dinners, enjoy the people, the time, the togetherness. And that's the most important, is just sharing that with your loved ones, the time that we're here. So without further ado, meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone. So here we are. I've gone ahead and I flooded my canvas with the titanium white and the concoction of the mixture that I picked up from my table. I am going to go ahead and just torch out the air bubbles because we don't want pinholes as it dries. And I'm going to tell you now the colors that we are going to be flooding with to do our blowout. So I am starting with this warm gray by Amsterdam. Love that color. And we're going to follow the line here. So here we go. I really love how these colors look together. I love that kind of grayish. My next color is Burnt Umber by Winsor and Newton. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I'm getting nervous. I'm going to put a little more. I want my paints to move. And I'm going to put that warm gray on top again. Only because I want this color to show. I do want it to pop. Let's see. It must be clogged. Let's see. Okay, there you go. All right, here we go. Oh, I love those colors. I should probably do one with those two colors only. My next color is Red Oxide by Golden. I'm going to give this a quick shake. So Red Oxide by Golden. Beautiful. Beautiful. Next color I have here, Azo Orange by Amsterdam. gorgeous. That color reminds me of the Reflex Orange. It's like a neon. And I have here Yellow Ochre by Winsor and Newton. Okay. Those are my colors. I'm tempted to put some Pearl Cream by Arteza on the top. So last minute color. Let me give this a shake. And throw this on top. Okay, there we go. Feel better now. I'm gonna torch out my air bubbles. And we're gonna go ahead and begin. I am using my travel size hair dryer, setting it to low. It only has 2 settings, high and low. So we're setting it to low, and we're gonna go ahead and blow out our layer colors here. Let's begin. It was kind of weird coming around here and then turning the hair dryer over, but I do like the effect that I got. I love how these cells are popping up right in here. Absolutely love the color palette. Tell me what you think. I am happy that I put that pearl on top, because in certain areas you see how it created those beautiful lines. I think I am going to go ahead and add. So I'm going to just put a dab of that color there. And I am using just the tip of this brush just to get this color here. Gorgeous. Love it. I think that's it. Okay, I don't want to do anything else here. I'm going to bring this line down just like that. Beautiful. And I am bringing this one down. Just attaching it there. There you go. Beautiful. I am going to torch it out a little more. Let me bring this one down. There. Okay. I'm going to torch it out just a little bit. Certain areas. Right there. And that is it. So I'm going to clean up my edges, bring you in for a close-up, and we'll be right back. Tell me what you think about it. Okay, everyone, so here she is. And tell me if she doesn't scream Thanksgiving with those gorgeous colors in the blowout. So I'm going to start on this side first. Check out that cell, gigantic, and then it has like a webbing encasing that cell. Look at that little spur or kind of like brightness. Look at these beautiful cells here showcased. Love the color. Look at that border. Absolutely gorgeous. That red oxide is beautiful. Check out the clusters of cells right in there with webbing. Beautiful. I love the color palette. Love the cells that are popping up here. Look at that webbing in there. Gorgeous. Love the river of the pearl cream right here. And as you continue coming down, here is where I tell you that I took that turn. Love the red oxide again in certain areas here. Look at that. The stream of the pearl cream. The freshness of that Azo Orange. I thought it was going to muddy it up a little bit, but I'm glad that it didn't. It just did enough. And look, as I go further away from the painting, you can see more of the brightness and the richness of the colors here. Love the split color base. The colors work beautifully together. And there it is. Tell me what you think about this beauty. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Give it a thumbs up and click the notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I have new content. Thank you for watching Fluid Arts by Elsa. And enjoy. Have a happy and blessed Thanksgiving to all of you who celebrate. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.